We have any autolistas in the house.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng autolistas dito. Ako, miss nyo na po ba ang Otwal? Miss na rin po namin.
Ano yung favorite magazines niyo sa Otwal? San Francisco. Okay, yung favorite series.
Dami iba-iba eh.
Para sa akin, yung kissing scenes. Yun lang.
Okay. Ako naman favorite scene ko yung mga nasa Lake Tahoe. Ha? James or ni Clark? Oh, diba? Okay, Habib.
Yes. What's this? Para saan ito?
There.
Para saan?
The race. Period. The race.
Period. Works. Tell me, Nadine.
Oh.
Pal ka ba?
Ha?
Pal.
Pal.
Ka ba? Because you have your beauty. Sorry. Mali. Pal ka ba?
Bakit?
Because you have beauty like no other, worth like no other, and a heart like no other. Tingin ka na.
Ano ba? Sakay na kayo in fairness kaya favorite ko yung Philippine Airlines eh. It's the heart of the Filipino talaga, di ba guys? Teka lang ha. Ano kala mo ikaw lang may pick-up line? May bago din ako.
Okay, let's go.
SMDC ka ba?
SMDC? Bakit?
SMDC kasi, good guy ka, kaya gusto kong mag-invest ng emotion sa'yo. Next! Diba? Wise investment yun?
Yes. Very wise investment. That'll be our first investment together.
Ayan, yes, mga kababayan ko. Investment in the Philippines with the fastest growing real estate company, SMDC, the good guys. Ayan. Ito talaga, wise investment talaga na maaasahan nyo.
Yes.
Kayo naniniwala ka?
Yes, naniniwala ako sa'yo. Yan yung maging first investment yet. So, okay, before we continue, I'd like to say thank you to my brother, Andy. Yes, that was my brother, and he's here with his wife. His kid, Jake. Thank you so much for coming to the show. Really happy to see you guys here, and we're really happy to be performing for everyone here in San Diego. This is really a blessing for us to be all the way out here.